If you want to learn how to make tracks stereo in Audacity, this quick tutorial will show you the exact steps in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether you're cleaning up audio, combining two separate recordings, or just trying to turn two mono tracks into one stereo track, Audacity makes the process easy once you know where to click. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Audacity tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Audacity and load the two tracks you want to combine. Before you do anything else, make sure one track is positioned directly above the other in the timeline. This is important because Audacity needs to recognize them as a pair before it can merge them into stereo. If the tracks are not lined up this way, you may need to drag them into place so the top track is above the bottom track. Once your tracks are arranged correctly, move your cursor to the header of the top track. The track header is the control area on the left side of the waveform, where you'll usually see the track name and a few track options. Right-click on that top track header to open the track menu. In that menu, look for the option that says Make Stereo Track. This is the command that tells Audacity to combine the two separate tracks into one stereo file. Click Make Stereo Track, and Audacity will instantly merge them together. When it's done, you should see a single track with two waveforms, one representing the left channel and the other representing the right channel. That means your audio is now in stereo. From here, you can listen back to make sure everything sounds the way you want, and then continue editing or export the file when you're ready. If you needed a quick way to convert two tracks into stereo, that's all there is to it. Just remember the key steps. Line up the tracks, right-click the top track header, and choose Make Stereo Track. It's a fast technique that can save you time and help keep your audio projects organized. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Audacity guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.